Hi everyone, it's April from OTH Crochet Nook, and today I'm going to do a very quick tutorial to show you how to change colors in your project, but also keeping your right side of your project very clean and free of ends, and the wrong side of your project will have all these loose ends here, but very few. So you don't have to constantly change colors every single row. I'm going to show you a very quick technique that I learned. This is off of my Cozy Tree Blanket and Cozy Tree Pillow that I designed for Yarnspirations. A very easy pattern and perfect for the winter season. So I'm going to go ahead and do a very small swatch here of just single crochets and show you how I bring in a brand new color. So I'm just going to do one single crochet, complete that. Then we are going to do another single crochet, not finish it, bring in the new color, finish that single crochet, and then go ahead and single crochet with that new color. So then when I want to bring back the main color, which is white for this project, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do a single crochet, not complete that, bring the white up, complete that single crochet, and then go ahead and do another single crochet. So this that I'm working on right now would be considered as the right side of my project. So I'm just going to finish this row here to show you the wrong side of the project, which will have all of the ends on it. So this is what is going to happen so that you can make sure that all your ends stay to this side, which is your wrong side of your project, okay? So we're going to chain one like we always do, and I'm going to do a single crochet here, another single crochet but not finish it. So I'm going to be bringing up the secondary color, finishing that, which is pretty easy. Continuing on, making that single crochet. Now here is where you need to keep your ends to the back of the project. So I'm going to be keeping this white, which is my main color, my white yarn, to the back of the project. I'm going to be finishing this, but making sure that this is towards the back as well as the secondary color. So right now I want to bring in the white. So I'm going to make sure this is forward, or I should say below the project of your working space. And then you're going to bring up the white here and then continue on. I'm going to do that again, but that is exactly how that works. You're going to make sure that your yarn is always facing downwards towards the back of your project. So this is the right side, so we're just going to continue on like we normally would with some single crochets. I'm going to bring in some yellow here. Okay, so when you're on the right side of your project, it's much easier. You're just bringing them from the back and moving on. And we're going to do the wrong side of the project one more time to show you. So I'm going to do a single crochet here, do a single crochet here, but not finish it. Make sure that this working yarn comes down below where I'm working. You're going to now bring up your secondary color. Carry on with your single crochets. And then now we want to bring in the white, so we want to make sure our working yarn goes down again to the back of the project. Bring in the working yarn that you want and carry it over. So that is how easy that is, and that is how you will have a lot less ends to weave in because you're not changing colors every time. So that is how it works. This is clean of ends, and the back here will have all your loose ends. And it's great for a pillow because you don't really have to worry about these. If you really don't want to do them, it's inside the pillow so you won't see them. But for the Cozy Tree Blanket, you will have to trim those ends, weave them in, and hide those like you usually would. So that's how easy it is. I hope you guys love the patterns. I love designing a blanket and a pillow. It's perfect for all season long, not just for Christmas or the holidays, all the way until the snow is completely gone. I can't wait to see yours. The pattern is free on yarnspirations.com and also on my blog at othcrochetnook.ca.